You manufacture or you market? We represent. Mostly imported items.
Mainly to measure acoustic sound source localization. So normally microphone measures pressure. Suppose to sound source localize, you need to have a particle velocity sensor where it measures both pressure as well as velocity. So it's a directional sensor. So the background noise is get eliminated. So just initialize.
Can that remain same?
No, it is a high-end process. So we started from single frequency, but we are, selling this product to all educational institutions, all universities, IITs, NITs, etc. And furthermore, 10 countries also, and they are furnishing research papers. We are using it in our university. We are also using it.
Which is the virtual business tool which we presented for noise and vibration. And as a TV, we are estimating to look for getting different investments like for testing institutional method testing will be important
Morning sir, welcome sir. Morning sir. This is Bhupendra Kapoor from Andhra Polymers Private Limited. We are manufacturers from Hyderabad sir.
Okay.
Lime and silica product sir. We made in India product calcium silicate tiles. Aerolite, calcium silicate tiles, ceiling tiles. They are acoustics also and for the office purpose also sir. And we are approved by the CPWD DSR also and MES also for their work sir. And as per the ECBC code, it's an excellent thermal conductivity properties sir. Water resistance sir. 100% water sir. Nothing will happen to this even if you put in the 10 days for the water sir.
So
No.
what is the acoustic property?
Yes sir, acoustics sir, 75% NRC is there for these acoustics sir. This one sir.
75.
Fully perforated sir, fully perforated. These are 50 NRC, this is 75 sir. And if you put glass wool or any wool etc. behind this, it becomes to 95, whatever wool you add sir.
What is the difference between these two?
This is 50 NRC, and this is 75 NRC. And the design also is different. This is for the banks etc. This is the difference sir. You can have a look, closer look you can have sir. Closer look. This is having small punches, 6 mm punches. This is having Sir. Little bit visitors book, please. We seek your blessings, sir. Fly ash also. Thank you very much.
Sound level instrumentation and vibration measurement analysis. This is our forte. We've been in the field for the last 20 years. This is our latest product which we are displaying here. This is a data logging sound level meter which can log data onto your pen drive. You just plug in a pen drive and makes you an Excel sheet and you can do any kind of statistical analysis. This has enough storage to last you 1.5 years of continuous logging every second, especially when reading English.
Right from sensor.
Everything. Of course, we might component. Sensors. But this we do ourselves. This we do ourselves. Yes. This is what this is totally.
So you're going to be very one meeting.
Yeah. So we are having acoustic walls and acoustic ceilings with a maximum NRC 1. And a very durable product. We guarantee this product for 5 years. Nothing will happen. You know, moisture no effect, fungus no effect, termite no effect.
Very durable. Manufactured where?
In Dharmapur, Solan, sir.
Solan.
Himachal Pradesh. And this is a basic product for wall. We give 50 mm air gap.
What is the basic materials?
This is wood fiber, sir. Pine wood. We are using pine wood for making this. You can see the fibers. And
You put any fire retardant in this?
yeah. This is a fire retardant, class 1.
Inherently fire retardant.
What is the compound?
This is cement composites with wood fibers. So this is basically, we have entire range for isolation and insulation. Supposedly we want to stop the sound transmission from floor to floor, we have that also. For example, we have this product. This is an anti-vibration pad. This is having 3 layers aluminium vibration pad along with high density panel.
And how do you glue it to the
So we put it straight away on the wall. It's an 8x4 sheet. We have an epoxy compound to which we seal the joints. Even 10 years down the line, there will be no cracks in it. This will give you an STC of 43. Double layer, single layer will 25. And we are an R&D company, OEM based in Himachal. Supposedly anybody wants a customized product. You want a decibel level of 40 to reduce, 40 dB to reduce. We can customize the product as per need. So we are not importing anything. We are totally manufacturing in India. That's the best part of it. Thank you.
Sir, we have tested all pressure field microphones, related calibration, acoustic sensors, portables, calibration.
This is our company. Hyderabad. So we are also
Structural solutions?
So this is only calibration service.
no, calibration and accelerometers for vibration test. Also we have audiometric calibration systems.
What is this device?
This is sound over meter.
Can you turn it on? Is it powered? You giving me in DD?
Yes.
No, it's it's still powering, booting. It'll take a while to boot.
Give full spectrum. Give full spectrum. 1/3 active or narrow?
One third and one third active.
1/3 active.
No, but it's already showing 65. That's the sound level.
Background.
You want me to shout really hard?
103.
I shout.
Our partners, Data Acoustic from Germany for noise mapping. For buildings, for noise mapping. In India, we don't have a legislation to publish the noise maps. But in Europe and all that, you have to publish noise maps every year, right? For industries, so that how much...
It's actually, we're doing the same, but just better. More easy to use. Yeah. I mean, we are market leader as well. Next to Soundplan, there's Soundplan, UMI, Lima, Katna A. But like in China and many Asian countries,
What your software needs, all the details about the residents of the room, machines, equipment.
You can use them, yeah. You either measure
The
them.
models, or you take measurements.
There are 2 ways. You measure an input, or you
take the
choose.
models.
We have a database of different machineries,
Exactly,
and you can use it.
You have a good database.
Yes, exactly.
Then
Because
standards as well, because as per the standards, you can do the whole simulation.
Database is important.
Because
Each
it's-
machine will have its own, for example, factories.
yeah,
Or you have a software
For the pumps,
development
compressors,
center.
chimneys,
yeah.
it will pick up and you just...
Your noise of the typing.
Then you can do the GIS, the Google, straight away you can, all the maps, they can be totally superimposed on the GIS information.
That is not an issue. Issue is to model the noise.
Yeah, but the idea
See,
is,
GIS, ITC related activities in the world today is no problem.
I agree.
Problem is to collect information and to model it in terms so that you can get a real map.
Yeah, but this is done all around the
Present
world.
it geographically that it is in Norway and it is in this place, that place. Today, these are overlays.
Yeah, but calculation is possible. yeah.
Possible.
You make
That's what I'm
assumptions.
looking at.
Yeah,
When it's a modeling, you should have it.
exactly. And this is based on modeling.
It's anti-vibration. No, no.
Yes.
You're doing well. Bruel Kaiser.
Yes.
Original people. Yes. Who are doing most of the vibration acoustics. I know most of them.
Yeah. I think all the DRDO labs have
Yeah, we know. We have been.
privilege of being associated with you.
Oh, I see. Oh, okay. And with my back out.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Dr. Very much. See you.
कार से